let's go through the exercises in more detail. We've got lots of different categories here, so this is the categories section. At the top you've got my exercises. These are exercises that you've added, and we've got favourite exercise, the ones where you've clicked the heart to add them to your favourites. We've also got other categories as well for exercises. Let's look through some of these. So for example, we've got lots of body parts: neck, shoulder, elbow, wrist, lumbar, spine. These are all hip, knee, ankle, toes. These are all body part exercises. So if I just open one of those up, let's go to elbow. I've got flexion, extension, pronation, supination. I've got some strengthening, exercise band, advice sheets. I've got different categories here that might be relevant to the elbow. So if I want to design a program to strengthen someone's elbow, I've got some elbow strengthening exercises right here. Really straightforward. Let's look at some other categories. We've got pelvic floor, we've got breathing, we've got a large strength and conditioning section. We've got TRX. We have balance exercises, cardio, core, really useful core section for rehabilitating back pain and weak cores. Swiss ball exercises there. We've got dumbbell and exercise band, we've got foam roller, we've got coordination, we've got Pilates, we've got antenatal Pilates, and pregnancy exercises too. And my favourite section is the senior section. Over 1,000 exercises for older patients. Really useful for things like total knee replacement rehab or total hip replacement rehab, like the whole sit to stand series. We've got yoga and even some horse and rider exercises for people that love working with animals. Scar therapy, lymphatics, and we've got some medication advice sheets as well. And another of my favourite exercise group is the neck section, where we've got exercises like sensory motor exercises, which are fantastic for rehabilitating after whiplash. So this is a very quick guide of the exercise categories. If you love an exercise and you think you're going to use it again, always favourite it. That means the exercise will appear at the top of your search selection. Now there are other areas where you can find exercises as well. For example, we've got an advice section. So this is where we've got our 485 MSK advice sheets. Let's just go to neck and you'll see a number of common diagnoses and less common ones too, which you might want to refer to your patient for advice. We've got a diagnosis section. So let's say we think our patient's got a rotator cuff problem. We might select something like rotator cuff tendinopathy, and it will suggest exercises that we might want to use. And we've also got a muscle section. So if you select the muscle you want, and it will show you the exercises that stretch or strengthen that particular muscle. So that's the exercise section and categories. Really straightforward to navigate, and don't forget to use that favourite button.